Welcome po sa Sagada Pottery. Tara, pasok tayo.
Ang workshop na to, na-set up siya ng 2000 by R.J. Stapleton. Anak po ng missionary na lumaki dito noong 1960s. Nakita niya po ang potential ng local clay and the local soil for pottery production. That's why he set this up as an alternative livelihood para sa community. Tatlong klase po ang pottery. Merong earthenware, inyong paso-paso, lutuan na ginagawa sa vegan. Ang stoneware and porcelain. Ang stoneware and porcelain high-fired po siya. We specialize in stoneware. We fire at 2,350 degrees. Around Sagada, we get the clay, we test it at that temperature. If it's good, we get it in bulk, soak it in water. Sasalain po siya ng 4 na beses until it goes through a very fine mesh. Pag lumabas po doon, very watery, we have to drip dry for 3 to 4 months. We age it for at least 3 weeks. Ganito ang itsura niya. Hindi namin pulutin dyan at pwede na dito. Kailangan po siyang i-process. Okay. I'll show you the making of the pot after the demo ko, pero kung may mag-hands-on po, pwedeng mag-hands-on at 100%. Okay? First, I have to center it. In order to center, you need the speed of the wheel and the pressure from the hands. Once na na-center siya, lahat nagsisimula ng cylinder. Para makagawa ng cylinder, I have to pull the clay from the bottom to the top gradually using pressure from my left and right hand. Kamay ko po ang mag-control sa clay, hindi clay ang mag-control sa kamay para hindi siya mag-collapse. Ito po ang basic shape. From here, pwede pong jar, bowl, or different shapes ang magagawa. Right now, mas malakas po ang pressure sa loob na kamay. Pushing it out, supporting sa kanang kamay. Dito naman sa middle, pressure from my right, pushing it inwards. Then outwards again at the very top to make a flower vase. Pwede siyang maging pichel paglagyan ng uso na ganyan. That's all I can do right now. I let it dry for 5 days. After 5 days, we put the handle, trim the bottom, then ipa-dry ng 1 month, air dry only. Put it in the oven for 12 hours of firing. Wait for 2 days of cooling down. We bring it out, then we apply the glazes. After glaze application po, kailangang iluto ulit ng 14 to 16 hours of glaze firing para kumintab at lumabas ang kulay niya. Hindi po pintura na ipahid natin, makikita na agad ang kulay. Kailangan po siyang iluto. Kaya very safe for food containers. They are microwavable. The color doesn't fade. Meron pong mag-hands-on sa inyo?
Ikaw.
Ito nyo.
Meron pong mag-hands-on sa inyo?
Ikaw.